Hi everyone, my name is Robert and this is Kingdome-Architecture. Today I'm going to show you how to import point clouds into Blender and how to visualize them. First of all, I would like to tell you something about point clouds. Point clouds are mainly generated with laser scanners, and after you can export formats such as E57 or XYZ and many other formats as well. But in Blender, we can import only PLY format. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, let's go to File, go to Import, and you can choose this option here, PLY. And after you can open your folders in your computer and do that easily. I already imported my point cloud inside Blender. First of all, let me just show you how to visualize this point cloud. So right now, this point cloud contains just vertices, so basically no points. So with this method, I'm going to show you right now, we can visualize this point cloud. Let's find geometry node editor, which is this one. Click on new, and we have these two nodes, group input and output. After that, we're gonna put mesh to points. So we're gonna search for mesh to points, this one. Let's place here. You can see now the point cloud basically became much more visible. So it's like you can see even the bricks right now, but we are not finished. We have to place set material as well in order to see the RGB attributes. So let's search for set material, which is this one, put right here. So in order to see those colors, we have to, the material, we have to set it to this default material. And in the shader editor, now we have the principal BSDF and the material output. We need to search for attribute, which is right here, place. After, you need to check the color into the base color, and the most important is to write here the name, which is color, the color attribute, and you can see now we have the colors. So if I click on the point cloud and go to object data properties, which is right here, you can see the color attribute, which is the same like here. So without this, we don't have the RGB colored showed. But if we want to make this much more bright in order to see clearly, we need to change the principal BSDF with the emissions shader. So let's bring in our emission shader. Which is this one. Emission shader. Let's bring in closer and connect those emission into the surface, obviously. And we have a much more bright point cloud, you can see. And of course, if you want to make this point cloud into a 3D model, you can do that, not just with the basic tools. So thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.